See? Oh, you're so like blocked out because of the light.
Oh god.
And ready. Oh, like soccer games.
Everything you said they already knew, more or less.
Well, here's something that you didn't know. 2 of those special atomic bombs haven't gone off.
How do you do it, Sophie?
This is.
Okay, I'm gonna watch you do it.
どこだ。どうやったっけ？あ、さっき。
Really? Oh.
Ah!
Oh no.
Yes. Okay. This ball is Bidama.
矢島っていうか、矢島さんわかる？矢島コーヒー。
Hello, and thank you so much for your hospitality while in Ogaki.
ホーストファミリーの皆さんの、おかげさまでありがとうございました。
You gave the students an experience of Japan that they could not have otherwise.
You hold the color and also the lady who is wearing much longer sleeve. That is when the lady is becoming 20 years old, and we are the such as adult today in Japan. So the 20 years and then who is going.
So sad. Very sad. Very sad. We just left our host family.
It was sad.
Our host family is like the cutest thing.
They waved at me until we actually were gone. They couldn't see us.
Yeah, and they want to say a thing about calling.
Oh, we made a promise that if we don't call when we're engaged to get married, that we have to swallow 1,000 needles.
Yeah. I miss them already.
Yeah, I miss them. I'm sad. She was crying a lot. All of them were.
That's really sad.
No. It's a vlogging time.
I'm very sad.
I almost teared up. Like, I really almost teared up.
I almost teared up watching you guys say goodbye.
She's so sweet. I really almost cried.
Oh, I'm really sad, Erin. I'm really no. I'm really sad.
No.
We just left our homestay family, and I love them. And now they're gone forever, unless I come back. Do you think I come back, maybe?
You're coming back.
Okay.
It's gonna happen.
In here. Oh, I'm so sad. I've got this weird. All my snacks are in my bag. Oh, now we're gonna go do a tea ceremony. Oh yes, we just had a host family party. Vlog this though. Yeah, we just got done with a cool tea ceremony. And how do you say your name again?
Alexandra.
Except, yes, Hannah.
Hannah.
Yes.
Ashlyn.
So Alexandria, Ashlyn and I are going to, what is it called?
Ogaki Castle.
Ogaki Castle. So we have some free time.
Keep.
Yeah, so we're not really sure we were allowed to go, but we're just going. It'll be fine, it'll be great.
It'll be good.
Adventures.
We got until 3.
Yeah, we had 3. I got Wi-Fi, we're good. We're good.
No, you could do stand.
Yeah, we found the castle. Let's go. We are inside the castle now, just enjoying the museum and everything. It's really fun. The top of the castle.
Oh my goodness! It's so beautiful!
It is so beautiful. Oh, I love flowers. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at these flowers. So beautiful. Ooh.
The use of series is important. So each
Just one of the host families grabbed it. Or something. Transported it. Yeah.
Where are we headed, London?
The train station.
To go where?
I don't know. I don't know that one.
The hotel.
Oh, I thought you wanted like a city.
No. Just walking to the train station. Oh man. So we just got done talking with a sculptor. Now we're headed to the train to go to the hotel.
Hannah, words for the vlog?
Words for the vlog? I don't know. We're walking to the train station and we're ready for a nap. I got all these snacks. Did you see all the snacks I got?
I did not see all the snacks. Show me the snacks.
That.
Oh, those are great.
I don't know. I'm just gonna have coffee. It's so nice. Weather's great. Do you see that?
Yeah.
And probably kind of aim it for the part that's gonna.
Oh, one pitcher loaded.
The red ones are hot drinks.
Ooh, I don't
Isn't that cool?
Don't want to do it.
Yeah,
Okay.
our host family.
But
had
Hannah,
no internet at
what is
all.
that?
So
Show us the label.
It's juice of some kind. I don't know.
Okay.
Tropicana.
Is that?
Good job. You can read the one American word.
It smells interesting. Ooh, it's good. I don't.
Peach grape.
No. Peach grape and orange. I think.
It has a weird aftertaste.
This is like a
Yep, peach grape and orange, right there.
It's got like a fake aftertaste. I don't know. Thank you.
Hi, we're walking
Again.
to the train station.
Again.
There's everyone behind us.
Yep. It's so beautiful out.
It's so nice.
Look to me.
We're never coming home.
We're going home.
Well, we're coming back.
So how do you... Hello, today has been crazy. We have done so much today and we are finally taking a break. We had our farewell party with our host family, which was really sad. I almost started crying when we left our host family. And then we did a tea ceremony and we then had like a little free time, so we went to a castle and then we went and talked to one of Greg the professor's sculpture friends, which was super cool. And then we took all our luggage and got on a train, and I'm not sure, we went to the hotel we're at. I'm sure we just got here, and I have this whole hotel room to myself. It's super cute. It's like bigger than my dorm room. It's like a little bed right here all to myself. It's crazy. But we're just gonna be here for a little bit, and then we're gonna head out for dinner and hopefully get some sleep, and I'll show you all
And then beer.
Thank you.
Alright. Oh, good.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, scoop some in.
I want a clam. I just gotta get to it.
I know.
Okay, I want tofu.
Is that the bottom?
What? Oh, I got it. I couldn't. It's like broken apart now.
Oh, we boiled it too much.